I guess my favorite part of the song, lyric-wise, yung I hope the jeepney never comes. It was written in a coffee shop. Kasi it was a rainy day and sa amin meron kaming tinatawag na highway, MacArthur Highway. Tinatamaan ang Angeles ng MacArthur Highway. Angeles is somewhat the capital of Pampanga. Madalas doon kami tumatambay, mga coffee shop doon. Ruta yun ng napakaraming sangkatutak na jeep. Siksik, liglig at umaapaw ang Angeles ng jeep. So, we wrote something. Ano bang experiences nating mga lalaki na pwede nating i-compile? I think that's love. So, our experiences in love, heartaches, heartbreaks, fear of missing out, we compiled it into one. Paano ba natin ikukwento? Simple lang, sakay tayo ng jeep. Doon nabuo yung bago naming single, Manong Wag Po. Ako po sa akin ang gagaling yung lyrics mostly dahil ako yung lyricist ng banda. And usually it's just a play on words. Pero yung kanta namin kasing Manong Wag Ho, medyo straight from the heart Hindi na masyadong pinag-isipan kung ano lumabas sa bibig, yun ang isusulat ng kamay. I guess my favorite part of the song, lyric-wise, yung I hope the jeepney never comes. Kasi it's a simple phrase, pero if you take it face value, parang ang bigat Poetic license mo kasi yun kapag nagsusulat ka ng lyrics, pwede mo siyang laruin.
Siguro regarding the chords po, hindi kami talaga nahirapan since when we were making it, nung binabasa namin yung lyrics niya, parang may nag-click lang talaga na ang gusto namin may sense of urgency but at the same time, parang at the end of each chord progression, mafe-feel ng listener that at home pa rin siya. Parang it's a safe space for that person to just feel kung anong gusto niya ma-feel.
Lagi namin iuuna yung pinaka-structure muna niya. Kung ano bang vibe yung gusto namin iparamdam sa makakarinig sa kanya. Especially, sinasabi nila na parang Manila sounds, yung kinukuha namin na tunog. Paano namin i-convert yung lumang tunog into modern generation nang hindi siya masyadong napag-iiwanan. So siguro, sa part na yon, doon na pumapasok yung embellishment na nilalagay namin na kahit papaano, hindi siya magmukhang luma talaga. Pero at the same time, pag narinig mo siya, parang may kumikiliti sa'yo ng 70s or 80s na parang Manila sounds.
Mga kapuso, available na po for streaming sa lahat ng music streaming platforms ang aming single na Manong Wag Po.